Hey there, this is coinmetallurgist, and looky what I have here. We have 4 boxes of half-dollar coins. So each one of these boxes is a $500 value. So each one has 1,000 half dollars in it. There's 4 of them, so we have 4,000 half dollars here. These were ordered for me at a local bank up in Idaho, eastern Idaho. I've had a couple banks in Denver that I've asked to see if they could order half dollars, and they haven't been able to. This bank had to order them in this quantity, or they couldn't do it. And the nice thing about the half dollar boxes, I don't have to worry about opening these up and them all being 2015 ones, because they don't make 2015 half dollars for circulation. So what I'll do is I'll open these up. I'll weigh each of them, each of the rolls, to see if the heavier ones might be more likely to have silver. The 40% silver coins weigh the exact same amount as the clad, so there won't be any way to determine that, but the 90% silver ones are heavier, so they'll likely be a little bit heavier, just slightly, but not a whole lot different. And I will look through every roll in all 4 boxes to search for silver half-dollar coins, and I will finish this video letting you know what I find.
Okay, so I've finished going through the $2,000 worth of half-dollar coins. It really didn't take that long. That's one thing I really like about looking through half-dollar coins. They it takes so few of them to make that amount of money that there aren't very many of them, and they're so large that it's really quick to look through them. We think about $2,000, it's only 4,000 coins of these. Then the other thing is that if you find a silver one, it's quite valuable. So I've collected here the coins that I'm going to be keeping. You can see here on a few of them there's this black dot in the middle. That black dot is on a lot of the coins, and I think what it must be is that they put black Sharpie marks on the ends of the coins when they were in rolls to count them. Not recently, not in the rolls that they were in right now, but at some point in the history of these coins, I think they did that to count them. So there's all different years, all kinds of coins with those marks on them. So what I've kept in this first row here is coins that are newer than 2001. So coins minted from 2002 through 2015. And the reason I've done that is because they've really only minted enough half-dollar coins for collectors' needs. And so the mintage has always been under about 3 million per year, and in some cases, more recently, it's even under 2 million. So I don't think these coins really have that much more value than their face value right now, but I think because of their low mintage, they could have the potential of being more valuable in the future. With more people collecting them, more people, more circulation, more just destroying of the coins. There'll be less and less with time, and more demand for them. Starting here on this side is the newest coin. This is a 2015 D. This is a 2011 D. This is 2010 D and P. Those 4 coins I'll particularly keep because I have a coin folder with Kennedy half dollars, and I only have up to 2009 in there. So anything newer than 2009, I'm going to just throw in that coin folder. There's 4 2009 here. So we have Philadelphia, Denver, and Philadelphia again. So 2 from each mint there. That's pretty good. I was kind of surprised to get 4 from 2009. I don't know if it's a little bit more common or what. So you got a 2007 P and 2007 D. This is a 2006 D, 3 2005 coins, 2005 P, 2005 D, and 2005 D again. Okay. You know, doesn't surprise me to see more D's than P's. So I got 2004, a D, and a P. It's really nice to get one of each like that. And a 2003 P. So overall, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 11, 14, 16, 17 of these newer half-dollar coins that I'm going to be keeping. There's 2 random ones that I'm going to keep here. This is, the date's not super important on these. That's not why I'm keeping them. We got a 1979, but this one's like white, which, appears silver-like, but it's not. A 1979 D, that's not silver, and it's almost too white. So I think what this is that it was probably silver plated at some point in time. So it's just interesting, and I'm going to keep it because of that. And then I have another coin that's off color here, and it's almost like a bronzy gold color. And I think what this is that it's not actually plated with something, but that's the underlying copper color, because these coins do have such a large percentage of copper in their composition, and they're plated with the nickel. I think maybe someone put some kind of acid on it or something to make that silver color go away and show the copper color. And it's all over. And I've seen different coins that are similar to this, but it's not as perfect as this one, not as complete. So, that one's from 1978. Again, the date's not super important. Then I'm keeping it because of because of the color of it, that it's a little bit different and interesting. And then we move on to the silver coins. Finally found some good silver in circulation coins from boxes. I always thought that the half-dollar coins are going to be our best bet for finding silver coins because they did have the silver coins for a few years. I did have to look through $3,000 of half-dollar coins to find these. I mean, the first 1,000, there weren't any coins like this. So clearly, I'm fairly confident somebody searched through those and took out all the silver coins, took out all the newer coins, because there wasn't any of these in that first 1,000. But the 2,000 in boxes, people have looked through these coins over the last 50 years. But it just takes one person to throw one silver coin back into circulation for it to get into that box. So let me show you what we have here. This is a 40% silver. If we can get it in focus, it's 1969. And I have to put it close to my eye here. It's Denver. See if I can show you that. You'll just have to trust me. That one's from Denver. We have a 1967. That one's from Philadelphia. So those are both 40%. And then we got a 1964, which is a 90%. So, very happy about those 3 silver coins. This one was actually on the end of a roll, and it was in the very last box that I was going through, and I picked it up and saw it on the end, and I was like, oh, great. And I almost turned on the video and showed you that while it was still in the roll, but I went ahead and opened it. So the 3 coins together here, it's maybe not even $10 in silver. The price of silver right now, it's about maybe $9.50 in silver there. Um, but that's not, when you think about it, where I'm staying at here in Idaho, the distance from me to the town, that $9.50 is gonna pay for my gasoline that it costs to go into town to go to the bank, 2 trips. Um, so I kind of break even here, but these pay for my gasoline. So anything else I keep their value above face values, I guess I've made by looking through these coins. But overall, I was pleased to find so many coins later than 2002. I wasn't really expecting to find that many of them, but I found quite a few here. And I found silver coins, which I'm thrilled about. So I'm very pleased with the finds from uh, this experiment with the half-dollar boxes. Um, you may have noticed that I didn't mention anything about the weight of the rolls. Um, Later on, if that result was useful at all. And I really gave up on it after I started weighing the half-dollar rolls. Their weight was very inconsistent, and I don't think there was any way that that would have worked correctly. And to be honest, if we're going to be buying half-dollar or quarter rolls to search through them, even if the weight's low, we're going to look through every single roll for silver coins. I know that I am, and I know that you are too. So let's just kick out that step of weighing the rolls and just go right ahead to open them up and looking at them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Um, I wish you the best of luck on your coin roll hunting, and thank you for watching.